Hi, I'm Vivian Lesney from the Suarez team, and we're at 7001 Rindge Avenue in Playa del Rey. Come on in and take a look. This beautiful home is an entertainer's delight. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 3,300 square feet, with unbelievable views of Malibu all the way down to Palos Verdes. Enjoy this versatile living space. You can cozy up by the fire, sit outside and have a glass of wine from your very own bar while the kids play at the pool table. Take a look at this master suite. And step right out and enjoy this rooftop view with your friends or family. I could enjoy this view for a lifetime. Enjoy your soaking tub with yet again more views. Welcome to the 4th bedroom or office. And here on the ground floor, this space is perfect for in-laws, nannies, or guests. Look at these beautiful barn doors.